Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and feel at home. So today I am doing these heatless curls on my hair. If you haven't seen my previous video, I just relaxed my hair. This is a fresh relax. My hair was virgin and I just relaxed it, so you should go check it out if you haven't. But if you have, let's continue. So I've had this heatless curl thing. Is it called a rod? Okay, so this rod for about 2 years, and if you're in Canada, I got it from Dollarama. It was only $3. I was like, let me get it. And to think about it, this was like probably prophecy or premonition that I will eventually need it. I thought I was gonna like use it on my wigs, but then I was like, I never got to using it. So today that is what we are doing. So I don't know if I've watched way too many of these videos, but because when I put it on my head, I just knew exactly what to do. It just came to me naturally and I wasn't even thinking about it. I continue to comb my hair so that it's like easy to actually roll over the rod. That's what I realized. So I would take it and roll over over the rod and bring it back to the front, and when it's back to the front, that's when I pick the next one which goes to the front, and then they all go to the back, and then they all come back to the front, and then when they get back to the front, that's when I pick another one to join them and continue with the journey. Again, once I have picked out the hair that needs to be rolled, I carefully arrange it over the rod to the back and then roll it back over to the front facing to the back, and then I pick out the new hair that joins now this hair from the back, and I will comb it to make sure it's also well arranged, and it goes to the back, and they all now come back to the front. So I continue to repeat this process. It's really just repetition. It's very easy. I found it very easy, and I just continue to do this. And at this point, I should say that I'm enjoying my hair very much. If you have styles for straight hair, relaxed hair, fussy hair that is straight that I can play with, please be sure to put them in the comment below, because I would love to try it and I will play around with it and then come back to you. For the rest of this part, I'm going to let you just watch and enjoy, and if you would like, you can skip this process from this point and go to the next day in the morning when I take them out. I think I did a wonderful job. Look at how neat that is. So I wrapped it up, went to sleep, and very early at dawn at 7 a.m. I was up because I really wanted to see how my curls were looking. I'm kidding. I had a doctor's appointment. I'll tell you about that another day. So I wake up excited. I'm looking at my hair, I'm unwrapping it, and it's like, oh my god, I can't believe it. So as you can see, the cap that I put was sliding back with the rod, so the front of the hair didn't really get curls, but either way, we are loving this. I find that on this side it was a little harder to take out, so you have to like carefully unwrap before you can pull the rod out. How do you like those curls? I've had this rod for maybe a year or two, and I didn't know that I was ever gonna do this curl. That was probably like prophecy, like premonition that I was gonna need it at this time. So last minute I remembered, oh, I have it, so I was gonna do these heatless curls and see how they look like on my hair. I still can't believe that I relaxed my hair, but here we are and loving it. Look at that, look at the beauty. Obviously not as full as a wig, but natural hair, so look at that. Oh my god. I have a feeling that once I mastered these rods, because this was really my first time ever, but once I master these rods, I'm going to eat these curls down. You see how like the top of my head is like flat? All that place is going to be filled with curls. I'm going to finish it off with this smoothing oil. And I'm thinking, because I'm freshly relaxed, my hair is like really flat. I have a vision like once I have some growth, those curls are going to like pop and not like be flat on my head. And right here, I don't really know what I'm trying to do, but I see girls, especially with wigs, and they do that oomph, like that little oomph at the top here when they have like the middle part. And it looks like just like there's like a lift, and it was looking good, but I think I'm overestimating how beautiful the hair is. It's probably an overestimate, but we will get there. This is like just pure excitement, and at this point I'm just enjoying my hair. I can't believe that this is how beautifully it turned, both the relaxer and the curls. So if you haven't seen the relaxer video, you can go back and see I self relaxed and it went in my eyes. So if you wanted to see that, go back and see that. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and share. See you next time.